Hello there. If you clicked on this video, you're fly fishing now and you want to learn why it's important to mend. There really are two reasons why you want to mend your fly line after a cast. So, like let's say today I'm fishing an indicator setup with a couple of nymphs and you cast it out, right? And now you notice that your line starts doing this big old loop, right? If you don't correct that with a mend, you're going to start creating drag on the fly. If it's a dry fly, it's going to start dragging across the surface. If you're fishing nymphs like this, it's going to start pulling the nymphs kind of weirdly downstream, and it's not going to give a very good presentation for the fish. So what you have to do is you have to make kind of a quick circular motion with the tip of your rod to kind of throw the fly line, the dry fly line, above your dry fly or indicator setup. So the second reason why you want to mend is you want to have a straight line path to your indicator or your fly. You want the shortest distance possible, so when it's time to set the hook, you don't have all this line going downstream, which will just make it a lot harder for you to hook into that fish that just took your indicator or just ate the dry fly.
Holy shit, there's a fish. Oh my God. That is actually a fish. Go that way. Oh, yeah, oh my God. Oh, man.
So those are the two primary reasons why you want to mend. Now, when you really want to level up, you can mend in the air. And essentially what you do there is when you're making the cast, as soon as the cast is about ready to finish, you kind of move the rod tip upstream just before everything falls to the water. And that's making essentially a mend in the air. That takes a lot of practice. So to start out, just throw the fly line out there. And then once you start seeing that big old loop start to happen in your line, just with a very casual, easy motion, just flick the line upstream to try to make it as straight to your dry fly or indicator as possible. Drag-free drift, and also you're gonna have a lot better odds at hookup if you don't have this big bow of line happening downstream from whatever it is you're fishing. All right, well, I hope that fly fishing tip helps you the next time you're out fly fishing. And hey, if you need a little help with your fly fishing cast, 200,000 people, this video has helped. Check out this video, 8 minutes, and I promise you, you will cast that fly rod a little bit further than you are today. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.